Hi guys, welcome back to math. We're on lesson 4.9 today, page 285 in your book, and we're going to be doing problem solving, addition problems. So our problem at the top of the page says Kendra had 13 crayons. Her dad gave her some more crayons. Then she had 19 crayons. How many crayons did Kendra's dad give her? So they ask us, what do we need to find? We need to find how many crayons her dad gave her. And what information do we already know? What are we going to use to figure out the problem? We know that she had 13 crayons when she started. Right there. We know when she's done, after her dad gives her some, her total amount becomes 19, which it says it right there. So we're going to use the table to solve the problem at the bottom. So 13 is where she started. When her dad gives her some, this is what we don't know. We're unsure of how many dad gave her, and we know she has 19 when she's done. So our addition problem would be 13 plus what mystery number equals 19. So you could put 13 in your head and count on 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So how many circles did we draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know dad gave her 6 crayons and she has 19 in all. Let's go over to number 1 on page 286. Mr. Kane has 24 red pens. He buys 19 blue pens. How many pens does he have now? So I know when I'm looking at the table, 24 red pens and 19 blue pens must be these two parts because they don't tell me the total amount. That's what they want me to find out. So he's got 24 red pens and 19 blue pens. The total amount is what I'm trying to find out. So I'm going to do 24 plus 19 equals, and this is what we need to figure out. Now, in our last lesson, we learned to rewrite these problems. So we line up our tens and ones. So I'm going to do that over here now. 24 plus 19. So I'm going to do 4 plus 9 to start. So I know 9 plus 4 or 4 plus 9 is 13. I'm going to write it off to the side and lasso it. I know 3 stays in my ones place, and I carry that 10 over. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. So what is Mr. Kane's total amount of pens? When he has 24 red and 19 blue, I know his total is 43. So they gave us the two parts on that, and we needed to figure out the total. Let's go down to number 2. Hannah has 10 pencils. So that's how many she has. Jim and Hannah have 17 pencils all together. So that must be their total amount. How many pencils does Jim have? So I know Hannah has 10, and I know Jim and Hannah have 17. So that's their total. So this, Jim's amount, which is a part, is what I'm trying to figure out. So my addition problem becomes Hannah's 10 pencils plus how many pencils did Jim have if their total was 17? So 10 plus what number equals 17? So you could put 10 in your head and count on. If you need to draw the circles, you can. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And I know there are 7. So Jim has 7 pencils. Go on to step 3.